Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Zach over at NV Woodworks. So today we're going to be working on a collaboration project with the Woodshop TV. Carl and Robin came by my shop and we decided to make a platter blank that Carl can turn. So stay tuned and I'll show you how we made it. Well, alright, so it was awesome having Carl and Robin stop by the shop and get to work on a project together, like in person. I've done some collaboration projects before, but usually, you know, I do something and then kind of send it to somebody. It was pretty cool being able to work on the actual blank with Carl. So thank you guys for driving down. They came down from Oregon and brought the, I like to call it the Shaggin' Wagon, their mobile workshop. We didn't do any actual work or anything in the workshop, but it was really awesome having that thing roll up to my shop. So if you ever get the chance, definitely take that opportunity because there's nothing better than that. So it was pretty cool. They were here for a couple days. We did a little bit of, you know, sightseeing. I showed them around town and up in Tahoe. And then on Wednesday, we got to work and we started working on this blank. So the idea, we started talking about this blank in Portland when I was there for the AAW symposium. We wanted to do something a little different and we kind of just, you know, sat there and kind of were planning and talking about it. And one of the things that I've never really seen, I'm not saying that nobody's done this, but I've just never actually seen a resin cast platter. I've seen a few things where people kind of, it's mostly burl and they just kind of fill in, you know, with resin and they look fabulous, but I've just never seen a full-on platter blank. So we decided to try that out, and I had just done my demo with honeycomb and I thought we could throw some honeycomb in there, some aluminum honeycomb. And then the overall feel for the blank, we wanted it to be kind of like a sunburst in a sense, or something like that, like kind of like a sun. So we took all of those little characteristics, things that we thought of, threw it in a box, shook it up, and made a blank. And I think it turned out pretty good. So we let it sit in the pressure pot for 2 hours, popped it out, and it was ready to go. And it was actually perfect timing because they had to actually get on the road that day. So we waited, pulled it out, I handed it to Carl, and then they pretty much drove off into the sunset. So it was a pretty awesome day. Got a lot of work done, had some fun, and got them on the road on their way back home, ready to turn this platter. So Carl's already got this turned up and the video is already posted. So I'll have a link on the screen here to take you over there. Definitely go check it out, see how it turned out. Carl did a fabulous job on this piece and the video is awesome. They just got a new camera where like the slow-mo action is just fabulous. You know, like the streamers flying off in slow-mo. And then even Carl's doing some one-handed ninja turning skills in the video. It's pretty cool. So go check that out. It turned out so good. The other thing is, we were talking about it, and we decided that we're going to give away the finished piece. So the way this giveaway is working, it's going to be, like the giveaway is being held, I guess, on my Instagram page. So I have a post up there of a picture of it. It says giveaway and all that kind of stuff. What you want to do is head over there, leave a comment, and in the comment, in your comment, add the word Dunkin' Junk, or you can even hashtag Dunkin' Junk in there. That'll get you entered, and we're going to randomly choose one of the winners, and I will announce the winner at 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time on Monday, the 13th of August. So thanks again to Carl and Robin for coming down, working on this project. It was a really awesome project to work on, and it was just a blast having you guys in town. Wish we would have had a little bit more time, but you know, we all got things to do. I understand that. So probably next time it's our turn to head back up to Oregon. We really love it up there. It's beautiful, and obviously the company's great. So we will see you guys soon, hopefully. So if this is your first time on the channel, we do all kinds of resin casting projects, tips and tricks, and experiments around here. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so that you get notified when new videos get posted. Also, if you're thinking about getting into resin casting but you're not really sure where to begin, check out my new ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner's questions, like what do I need to get started? What resin should I use? How does it all work? It'll help you get over that initial learning curve so that you can get started, you know, experimenting and having fun with resin casting yourself. So it's available on my website if you are interested. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.